Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update. Today is January 22nd, 2021, and the stock market, it's pulling back from record highs. It's expected, and there was no major, I won't say major change. It was down, I think, 200, or it's been down at 200 at some point today. That's fine. I mean, we're at record highs, so there is going to be a little reversal every once in a while just to kind of, balance out some things and then kind of go from there. So that's good. Mortgage rates, housing market information, don't go away. We'll be right back to go over all that information. Hey guys. I'm getting some really nice comments down below, so thanks and keep it up. Some of the good ones we're really getting are from newer realtors. So welcome into the business, folks. If we can even help, me and my team, we'd love to help you. We can help you with marketing. We can help you doing YouTubes. We can put you on YouTube with us. Zoom calls. There's a ton of programs we have. We have an app for your phone that, bam, you go right through the system and it goes through fast. There's a ton of tools we can help you with, and we'd like to partner with you. I'm trying to expand out our territory into into Florida. So if you're a loan officer down in that area or a realtor, I'd love to set you up or come and meet with you because I'm looking to expand down into the markets around Cocoa Beach, Cape Canaveral area, and kind of expand it through Orlando and such. So if you're in those areas and would like to partner up as a realtor, I'd love to have you. If you're looking for any job information to join the Frio team as a loan advisor or mortgage advisor, I would love to talk to you. So now let's get on to what's going on in the market. Housing sales, killing it. The highest level since 2006. Okay, so we're going to go to the economic calendar just to show that. The news came out today and it blew away the numbers. Okay, so a lot of clickbait that you're getting right now is there is going to be a housing crash. And I do a lot of Google Analytics and so forth. That verbiage is getting a ton of clicks. I'm not a clickbait guy. I love getting clicks. But my expectations are how many people are really looking for a mortgage. So I get a couple thousand clicks a day on my videos, which I'm grateful for. You see a lot of these people getting, 10, 20, 30,000 clicks, and it's clickbait. Then you go into it, and the information they're giving you is just kind of like, it's wrong. It's very off topic, or it's not in detail, or it's just some generic stuff. But they got a click and they got you to do what they wanted you to do. My information is just basically to the facts. I got nothing to hide, and I'm giving you all the facts behind the scene because there's nothing for me to really hide. If you ask a question down below, email me. I'm going to give you the honest answer. So that's what we do here on the channel. So let's get on to the housing market, housing sales. My prediction with the housing market is we are going to have an unbelievable 2021. And you can watch some of my previous videos in regards to that because I think there is pent up. There's people that are on the sidelines saying, as soon as I get the vaccine, as soon as the world kind of eases out of this pandemic, I'm selling my house. Or I'm getting out of this apartment and getting me a house. The Biden administration is supposed to be coming out with a $15,000 first-time homebuyer program that will basically give you $15,000. And as soon as that's launched, I promise you within minutes I'll have a video out there expanding that area and giving you the details behind that. But why people follow me on a daily basis is exactly this. When you're buying a house or refinancing, what are rates? Well, you should kind of know where they're going. If you're looking to buy a stock, you kind of do some research on it to figure out what's a good time or perfect timing to buy that stock. Same thing when it comes to mortgages. When should you lock? When should you get this done? Well, I follow a lot of things here on the channel, and I try to post the information to you that's easiest for you to absorb. I don't want to go behind the scenes and spend hours, and that's what I do on a daily basis to learn this, figure out what's going on, and educate myself to why what happened today happened, what tomorrow's going to bring, next week, next month, and so forth. So one of the biggest components, or the biggest component when it comes to mortgage rates, is what's happening with the mortgage-backed securities market. This number right here. This number is what happened to the price of the bond. As the price goes up, which it did today, rates come down. and vice versa the other way. If this number was down, rates would have gone up. So if you go back through and let's look at the quarter, here's what's happened in the past quarter. Okay, you see that it's fair. Well, let's go back. Let me back this off 1 second. Let's go back to the year. Okay, we had mayhem right here. This is when the pandemic started. Rates spiked because the banks, everybody thought, okay, nobody's going to be making their mortgage payment. And then they came out with the forbearance kind of rumors and the facts behind forbearances to help save a lot of homeowners. So we recovered. Since that time, the Fed stepped in and said, you know what, we're going to buy bonds, corporate bonds, municipal bonds, and mortgage-backed security bonds so we can avoid these catastrophic bumps. So they started doing that. So now let's go back to how we've been here. Well, we've been pretty stable, and they've done a fantastic job with this. And if you see, you break it even, and this is probably in most cases where we should be trading, right in this range here. I take that back, right in this range here. Okay, why? Is because I'm looking at what the 25 and 50-day moving average is doing, and it's right there. If you see where they crossed, it's right there. These lines here, if you follow cryptocurrencies or stocks or any other charting systems, these lines here are what's called Fibonacci levels. These are basically ceilings and floors when certain things trade. This could be currency, this could be bonds, this could be stocks, anything that trades or sells, buys and sells, it's going to be charted, and this is what the charts look like. So these are resistance levels, and then it breaks it down even further and gives you a 100-day, 50-day, and a 25-day moving average. Okay, so if you blend all these numbers out over this duration of time, you're going to get these other lines. You see where the 50-day and the 25-day moving average crossed? It is right there in that area. That is where I am saying we should be trading. When we were up here, I was concerned because I'm like, okay, guys, we're a little overbought at the time, and we kept hitting a resistance level. And if you go back to, this was actually a Tuesday about 2 weeks ago that I brought it up and said, I'm concerned. And then from there, we had a reversal. I thought we would hit resistance when we hit the 25, 50-day, and 100-day moving average, but we blew through all those numbers. And a lot of that was transpired because of the government, the riots, and everything else that was taking place. I said, hold tight, folks. We're going to have a reprieve because now we're oversold, meaning, too many people are getting out of their positions when it comes to this. I'm trying to explain this as simple as I can, guys. I truly am. Some people are like, dude, you're over my head. So I apologize. Watch on a daily basis and just, I'm trying to make these shorter and shorter because I know you don't want to sit here for a half hour learning this stuff, but I'm just going to update you. So as you watch every day, it'll start to click. I promise you. When we were down in this range, I'm like, we are way oversold when we went down to here. I said, don't worry, we're going to have a reversal. Well, we're having a reversal, and again, I'm looking that we should be here. We'll get back to there unless something, another major hiccup happens. I don't think we're going to have anything. The presidential election's over. There were no more riots. Everything's starting to calm down. Now it's just on the pandemic and the virus and the stimulus package. That's what everything is hinging on right now. So we're not that far away from this. If you look at it, we're 103.2. We should be at like 103.5, so we're about 30 bips away. We picked up 11 of those today. Okay, so we're getting there. I'm still not locking anybody. So if you're asking me for rates right now, I'll give you a rate, but I'm still not locking people because I'm looking for a little bit more pullback into this area right into here. Okay? So that's what's going on with the technicals and the charting. Let's see what happened throughout the day. Just because, it was up 11 throughout the day, but we also try to go in and look at the micros behind everything. We started out the day and we had a nice jump, and then everybody starts selling. Red is basically you got more sellers than buyers. We drop, and then we recovered. Okay, this is nice. I like the reversal here at the end of the day, where basically we recovered and now we ended up, we're going to end the day up in a positive range. That is fantastic. The news this week, nothing really hiccuped the market. Home sales are phenomenal. Now you go back to where we are. This is the averages throughout the entire country where rates are. So if you're getting a rate that's way above this, or way below this, be cautious, because there's a lot of places out there that I'll say bait and switch you. They'll come in and say, you know what, I'll get you 2% rates with whatever. Guys, if almost everybody in the country is 2.8 and you're getting 2.1, why? So just make sure you're not getting duped. Okay, that's the only thing I can say there. But the national averages are right here. The 30-year on the conforming jumbo FHA and VA, they're right here. We really haven't had any changes today because, again, when you're looking at the charts throughout the day, let's go throughout the day, it's basically been boom, 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 and we're ended up 11 from where we were at the opening, but we just got the reversal about 145 today. Okay, so this isn't priced into our rates yet, and it probably won't be because it's almost end of trading day today. So that's that part of it. But still, from a year ago, we were in the probably close. We were in the way high 3s or 4s. Right now, we're in the 2s. So if you haven't done anything yet, please let me know. Send me a copy of your mortgage statement. And let's see what we can do for you. If you're in the process right now, I got 4 applications today from people that were going with other companies, and every one of them, I got them a lower rate and lower fees. Both lower rate and lower fees. How do you find me? How do you do this? Well, go to therateupdate.com, scroll down to the bottom. This will give you our 800 number, 844-775-LOAN. It's 844-775-5626, or email me. Email me your mortgage statement. Email me your loan estimate. If you're in the process right now with another company, email it to me at D for Dan, Frio, which is Frio, at preferredrate.com. And if you're just like, Dan, I just want to get this ball rolling, you can click the Apply Now button and get it rolling right away. If you're like, there's some things I just don't know or understand, you can hit the click here button and get a free quote. We'll call you. No hard sales. We'll just answer any questions you got. If you like doing it, you're techie and you like doing it online, you can hit if you're looking to purchase, you click this one here. You're looking to do a refinance, you click this one here. So that's the easiest way to do this. I do a video every morning. I call it Scrub, SCRB. What it is, stocks, crypto, real estate, and bonds. Check it out. It's what I'm personally doing in my portfolio, my holdings, and I give you my thoughts on the markets, all of those markets. So I'd love for you to reach out to us for some help. Other than that, I'm going to ask you 3 things. 1, give me a thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube analytics. 2, subscribe down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. You might educate yourself on the stock market, the bond market, Bitcoin, cryptos, things like that, and real estate. And then the next thing is click the bell so every time I do post a video, you get an alert. And the other thing I usually don't ask you guys, please share this out there. There's got to be somebody out there that you know that's possibly looking. You got kids, nephews, aunts, uncles, somebody like that they're like, you know what? If I can help them with a mortgage and save a couple $100 a month, would it make their life a little bit easier? Are you looking to learn about the stock market? Are you looking to learn, like I just posted a video about blockchains? That is the basic fundamental piece of all the cryptocurrency. So you heard of Bitcoin? How does Bitcoin work? Blockchain's the number one piece. It's the beginning of that food chain. So that's it. So other than that, God bless, guys. It's Friday. Have a great weekend. Be safe. Be happy. And I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.